hoes get the best of what you grow, dog. You were so lost, but got caught. Just another victim with a nail through his heart. I ain't the type of nigga that'll fail when I'm crossed. I just bounce back, cause we've been taking L's from the start. Yeah, we've been taking L's from the start. You can even tell I walk. All this shit is real from the heart. Yeah, all this shit is real from the heart. But see, I don't wish you bad, I hope you make it. I hope you get everything that you've been craving. I hope you get a wedding ring and stones in your bracelet. But me, you can't replace it. Seasons change. Seasons change. Seasons change. Seasons change.
Back again. I ain't going again. I ain't going back again.
To that state of mind where I was ignorant and it was wartime, and I thought I could save all of us if I wrote one line, you know, the right line. And getting by wasn't getting by, we had to steal and lie, and some of us died. We're on borrowed time and the clock was ticking, and they're looking at me and the move's mine. Fuck it, just tell them the truth. Tell them no man can take nothing from you. Tell them your skin is too thick and you'll die about this. They don't possess the spirit you do. Tell them your city is counting on you. If you go home with nothing, they'll probably kill you. And this ain't life or death for them. Close your eyes and count to 10.
Honestly, this is as honest as I've been. So I'll try speaking to the public like we're friends. Truthfully, I wish the very best for men. But you think freedom is money? Well, money has an end. I ain't going back again. I ain't going back again. I ain't going back again. But you think freedom is money? Well, money has an end. I ain't going back again.
To that dope house where we slept together cause it was cold out. We had one jacket amongst all of us, so we would take turns when we would go out in the open up and heat the whole house. And the mattress on the kitchen floor with an AK-47 and 3 handguns, but we swore we needed more cause we were at war. When we'd haul water by the bucket back to our home, and we'd heat the water and we'd talk for hours cause we didn't have no phones. And we'd dream together about a better life and houses and cars and clothes. And we'd laugh and joke as we all showered from the same pan on the stove. Fuck it, just tell them the truth. Tell them no man can take nothing from you. Tell them your skin is too thick and you'll die about this. They don't possess the spirit you do. After all the shit we've been through, I kill myself before I turn on you. And this ain't life or death for them. Close your eyes and count to 10.
Honestly, this is as honest as I've been. So I'll try speaking to the public like we're friends. Truthfully, I wish the very best for men. But you think freedom is money? Well,